Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before telling you about this video, if you don't know how to solve a 3x3 with beginners method, then check out the playlist on the top right. And also, if you have learned the 3x3 beginners method and don't know how to solve a 2x2, then do check out the video which will be coming up on the top right. So now about this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you the most popular, one of the best method to solve the 3x3 called the CFOP. So the name consists of 4 letters C, F, O, P. So the C is the cross, the F is F12 which means the first 2 layers of the cube, the O means OLL which means orientation of the last layer, and the P is PLL which is permutation of the last layer. So in this video I'll be giving you an introduction of all these steps. And now let's get right into the video. So as the first step is the cross, in beginners method you will normally solve the cross on the top. But in CFOP, you will be solving it in the bottom. So white will be on the bottom and yellow will be on the top. So let me show you an example of cross solved on bottom. So here I have scrambled the cube and white is on the bottom and yellow is on the top. So now I will be solving the cross on the bottom. So it would look like this. And the cross is solved. So now for F, which is F12 first 2 layers. So in beginners method you will normally solve the first layer and then the second layer, but in this you will be solving things like called pairs. So a pair is something which will look like this and you will insert them in the slot. So for example, you will choose one white corner. So in this I have chosen white, blue and red, and excluding white the other 2 colors are blue and red. And so you have to find the blue and red edge. So the blue and red edge is here. So when you join these 2, it is called a pair. So you will join these 2 and you can solve it like this. So there are totally 4 pairs. So in this I'll just solve them. So this is the F12 first 2 layers. The next one is the orientation of the last layer. So first you should solve the yellow cross as usual. So after solving the yellow cross, there will be totally 8 algorithms for basic 2-look OLL, but they are very easy. There are totally 57 OLL algorithms which you will be learning in the future. So for now you will be learning 8 OLL algorithms. So using those 8 OLL algorithms, you will be finishing the orientation of the last layer. And the last step is PLL, permutation of the last layer. So in this you will be learning 4 algorithms. So one is a big algorithm which is also easy. So even this is 2-look PLL, and in total there are 21 algorithms which also you will be learning in the future. And for now you will be learning the 4 algs. So the first algorithm, which is a big algorithm, and in this you will be getting this ordinary case which you would actually get in the beginners method, but for this I will be giving you some advanced algorithms so you can do it faster. And you will solve the cube with the PLL. So in this method there are some algs which contain some specific notations. So till now you have been using the single layer moves like the R, U, L, L prime, B, D. You've been using the R, L and U moves for the beginners method, but from now you will also be using the other moves like the F, B, D and etc. So for the last notation, which is the movement of the middle layer, so this is the middle layer. So while moving the middle layer you should not move the R and the L prime. So the middle layer's notation is denoted with the letter M. So to do these moves, first I will be showing you the M prime. So to do the M prime you have to use your ring finger. So with the ring you have to keep your ring finger, right hand ring finger, in the back side edge piece like this. So this orange color is in the back, so I will be keeping my ring finger here and holding these 2 layers, the L prime and the R layers, in place, and I will be pushing this middle layer with my ring finger like this. So this is the M prime move. And now the M move, you have to do it, you have to push this middle layer here. So I'll just show you how it will be. So the middle layer would come like this, and the finger trick is you have to use your index finger. So you have to bring your index finger here in the top edge of the back side and just push this middle layer down like this. Make sure that you're holding the L prime and the R layers in place. Also for the M2, you can just do this M prime twice. So the M prime you will be doing like this, which you have to do it twice. So this is M prime 1 and M prime 2, so that is 2 times. So guys, that's all for this video. So if you have understood this method and also the notations, then please do give this video a thumbs up, and also please be free to leave any comments in the comment section below. So please do subscribe if you like my videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.